The people together enjoying food, everyone remembering the past and future day, shared humanity, food greatness about embarrassing the flavor tradition that our leaves bring to your meal. The food, the great food, the wow, like a wow, tasty, most tasty food in the world, enjoying everyone. One of the most enjoyable aspects of food is exploring new and flavors from around the world, whether it including in the spicy flavors of Thai curry, Indian curry, other countries, riches of example Japanese, sampling the aromatic spices of Indian. There always something new and exciting to discover. Homemade comfort. There is a special joy in preparing and enjoying homemade meals with loved ones. From the aroma freshly baked cookies through the kitchen to the satisfaction of smearing of pot of homemade soup and chilly day. Homemade comfort food, the both the body and the soul. Food has heart. Food can be from of expression with chefs and home cooks alike, transforming simple ingredients into works of art on the plate. From plate dishes at a fine dining restaurant to beautifully crafted and desserts, food can delight the good taste over the world. The community and connection food has unique ability to bring people together, fostering community and connection, whether gathering around the dinner table with family and friends, sharing a meal at a neighborhood, joining a cooking class to learn new skills. Food creates opportunity for shared experience and meaningful connection. The enjoying experience connections. Food is just about taste. It also about being present and mindful of the experience. Taking the time to savor each bite, the flavor of richer and culture, gratitude from the nourishment food provides can en- enjoying every meal. The sensational ingredients allow us to experience the freshness, flavors, support local farms and producer produce from the every special winter special, summer special, the tasty food everybody enjoy. Each season brings to own unique tasty create make a food enjoying and celebrated. Food festival and events, food festival, farmers markets and culture events offer opportunity to include in delicious treats, discover new foods, and celebrate the vibrant food culture of different regions and communities. It is seafood festival on the coast or a chill cook off in the Heartland. These events are feast for the sense. Global fruit trends, keeping up the latest food trends allow the stay connected to innovations, culture influence from around the world. The planet-based cooking exploring food taste is not merely a sensory experience.